In the recent Optimus hill climbing video, we saw comments saying that Tesla is following the Chinese robot climbing the Great Wall of China, and that made us laugh because they are clearly saying the opposite. The Great Wall of China is a flat road from start to finish with only a few low slopes and steps which cannot be compared to the steep slopes on slippery gravel hills that Optimus has tested. Now you can see that Optimus's gait is not really natural like a person's, but there are many upgrades getting deployed for TeslaBot to help it do more than 1,000 tasks, simple to complex, especially Optimus's gait and speed. That's going to be surprising us all next year. Discover the important upgrades for TeslaBot right now, and welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us get to 215 subscribers. It's a huge motivator for us to keep pumping out great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest in tech news. Thank you so much for that. Every success is built on failures, much like SpaceX having endured numerous setbacks before attaining greatness. And the same thing goes for Optimus. Judging it solely based on demo videos, that would be premature. There's undoubtedly many more demos showcasing updates to Optimus in the coming months as Tesla continues development. The company aims to officially start selling Optimus by late next year or early 2026. In 2025, alongside deploying at least 1,000 robots to test factory tasks, Tesla will also work on completing unfinished upgrades for Optimus, meaning they'll simultaneously work on improving the robots, a feat only Tesla with its scale and expertise could execute so rapidly. As Elon mentioned, Optimus's hands are still being trained to function fully autonomously by next year. The design is also getting reworked to facilitate mass production. Elon admitted that redesigning Optimus has been one of the most challenging aspects of its upgrade process. Tesla's approach of continuous iteration and scaling innovation ensures Optimus could eventually become a groundbreaking product. All eyes will be on how the robot evolves leading up to its commercial debut. And recently, after the video of Optimus climbing a hill was introduced, Milan Kovac, team leader of the Optimus project, revealed work items being done to upgrade Optimus, including adding vision so it can better plan ahead, making the gait look more natural on such rough terrain, making it more responsive to velocity and direction commands, and learning how to fall to minimize damage when it's unavoidable. First, one of the highlights we appreciate is the integration of Optimus's vision system for uneven, slippery terrain, helping Optimus see and plan ahead for these difficult terrains, and Elon has shared that Optimus was doing this while blindfolded. We haven't yet made vision part of the control loop for uneven terrain. Optimus robots are regularly cruising around our workplace in Palo Alto, where vision's used for static and dynamic object avoidance. This means that Optimus is currently moving very well on flat terrain areas like factories, roads, and houses. However, for those steep terrain areas like mountainous environments and forests and construction sites, Optimus almost falls into a blindfolded state and relies exclusively on sensors. However, that's now. Next year will be the time that Optimus will be able to recognize obstacles or complex terrain and provide appropriate movement and gait. Next is the plan to improve the natural gait on rough terrain. In our opinion, this is something that many people are looking forward to the most because no one wants their robot to walk like it's drunk. It's quite unsightly. Currently, Optimus's gait's a bit stiff because it needs to bend its legs to maintain balance and lower its center of gravity, which sometimes makes it look slower and less agile, making it look something like an 82-year-old, soon-to-be former president. So, with this upgrade, Optimus will be able to walk more smoothly, even overcoming small obstacles such as gravel or steps. Another important improvement is the increased responsiveness to speed and direction commands. This is useful in tasks that require precision and agility. For example, in an automobile assembly line, the robot can get commands to change position immediately to assist workers or coordinate with other equipment. This flexibility reduces downtime and optimizes the production process. Finally, learning how to fall and get up. In fact, Optimus was almost able to fall while going downhill, but surprisingly it managed to get up just like a human. While other robots jump far and run fast on perfectly flat surfaces to set records, they've not dared to test real terrain like TeslaBot, which is the difference we need to emphasize. Although the gait's not that natural, the balance of TeslaBot is noticeable. When it can go up and down slopes easily, even when stepping on rocks or slippery objects, the robot still stands pretty firmly. In reality, it's inevitable that robots are going to fall, especially in industrial environments or when performing outdoor tasks like rescues. With this ability, Optimus will fall in a way that causes the least damage, protecting the important parts and then picking itself back up to finish the job. Yes, once again, please help us reach 215 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you so much. All right, as we all know, Optimus holds a special place for Elon and Tesla. It's one of the most significant products to prove that Tesla isn't just an automaker. Yeah, Tesla is a technical company. Elon is confident that this robot will sell like hotcakes and ultimately push Tesla to become a $25 trillion company. We're not sure if you're into this robot, but for now it seems like we'll face some serious competition if we want to get our hands on an Optimus anytime soon. Just look at how Tesla sold out of Optimus action figures within hours of launch, proving its massive appeal even as an action figure.
So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000.
Elon stated that Tesla only spends $10,000 to produce each Optimus robot, and he plans to sell them for $20,000, meaning for every 100,000 robots sold, Elon would pocket $1 billion in profit. We can already picture the profits rolling in. As Elon mentioned, he plans to produce billions of Optimus robots and sales reaching every country worldwide. It's already made its way to Japan and China.
Everything we've developed for our cars, the batteries, power electronics, the advanced motors, gearboxes, the software, the AI inference computer, it all actually applies to a humanoid robot.
Elon emphasized the components originally developed for Tesla's EVs are being repurposed and integrated into Optimus, dramatically speeding up the production process beyond conventional timelines, meaning Tesla doesn't have to start from scratch or design an entirely new set of components for Optimus. At the same time, the company significantly reduces its reliance on external suppliers. Thanks to this advantage, Elon's confident in setting a goal to produce thousands of robots by next year with an impressive cost of just $10,000 a unit. Recently, Tesla unveiled the next generation hand for the Optimus robot, featuring a new design and significantly more advanced engineering than with the current model. It showcased an impressive ability to catch a tennis ball with 100% accuracy. However, two engineers from the Tesla bot project, Milan Kovac and Giuliani Bars, revealed that the demo video was recorded while the humanoid robot was being operated remotely. This was necessary to test the engineering of the hand, which boasts 22 degrees of freedom. That said, according to CEO Elon Musk in a recent post on X, Optimus will be able to achieve the same feat fully autonomously by next year. Elon said, "Easy move to connect AI vision with arm actuation to catch autonomously. Will be done next quarter. We're just testing the actuation and sensor system here." We are pretty excited and confident it's coming sooner than expected given Tesla's current pace. Elon mentioned they're in the process of redesigning Optimus, a challenging but necessary step to achieve a design suitable for mass production. From what we know, the new design will also be the Gen 3 version, a special iteration. However, we'd like to focus more on pricing, as Gen 3 is likely to be the most expensive version of Optimus. For those who may not know about the improvements and changes in Optimus Gen 3, yes, it'll feature a new design, a new hand with 22 degrees of freedom, faster movement speed, and a smarter brain, meaning it'll be more autonomous than Gen 2. However, Tesla is always unpredictable, so they might do even more and make it even better. Thus, we'll have a clearer answer on Optimus Gen 3 next month. Recently, though, Elon candidly shared that redesigning Optimus has been one of the toughest parts. Elon wrote on X in a post that Optimus is already doing some tests in the factory and the scope of its abilities rapidly increasing. The toughest part by far is improving the design of the Optimus for ease of manufacturing and tooling up a complex supply chain so it can be made in significant numbers. First, designing a product requires not just achieving functionality and aesthetics, but also optimizing it for mass production at a reasonable cost. For example, Cybertruck's unique design once caused Tesla significant challenges to resolve and required a lot of effort to make it ready for mass production. So, Gen 3 of Optimus is going to have to design an even more distinctive than the already refined Gen 2, and we think Tesla's done their homework on this. That's why we also think Gen 3 is unlikely to get priced at $20,000. $100,000 is probably a bit more realistic. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.